I'm at Yokohama Stadium, and so far, there's no rain today, which would be amazing. I was rained out yesterday at Hanshin Koshien Stadium. The good thing is I still got a couple innings in, so I'll take it. It certainly beat my first game at Zozo Marine that was rained out, but I'm trying them again tomorrow, so we'll see how it all work out. But it's been a wet week outside, and so far, it's not raining. I know I just jinxed it, but I did buy a poncho. So this ballpark is located right in downtown Yokohama. You are super close to Chinatown. You're super close to some amazing parks. You will see a quick glimpse of one of the parks that's just outside the stadium. And then if you want to watch the whole thing, I'll actually have a separate video just for the park because it's gorgeous, especially if you love tulips. They are all in bloom and it's pretty out. But regardless, this is a baseball video, not a flower video. And here is a quick look at Yokohama Stadium. There are fewer food choices here at Yokohama Stadium, and realistically it makes sense just based on location. You know, this ballpark is pretty much right downtown. You're an easy walk to Chinatown. There are quite a few restaurants in and around the park, so I'm not surprised that there aren't a ton of food choices, and there really aren't. Honestly, tonight, it doesn't break my heart. I've had a whole lot of fish, I've had a whole lot of chicken, and some things I don't normally eat at home, so tonight may be a hot dog, and there are worse things than a hot dog at a ballgame. Thought I was joking about the hot dog? I don't joke about hot dogs. The outfield corners are crazy shallow. You take a look in the videos, you're going to notice everything is really compact. It's only like 308 down left and right field lines. So, hey guys. So that's Crazy Town. Well, there's a ton of lightning in the outfield, and everyone around me is putting their ponchos on, so it's not looking great. We'll see what happens. At least I have a poncho. Are you ready for a shock? It's another rain delay. So we'll see. Hopefully this one will come back on. They're getting everything up and on the field. But tell you what, it has not been my best luck on these outdoor games. You know, April and May are supposed to be pretty clear. They're supposed to be good months for weather. And yeah, so far, not so much. You know, the funny thing is all of the games that I've been in domes, except for one, the weather outside's been glorious. So, you know, clearly what I should have done is I should have gone reverse. I should have planned all of the outdoor games to be in the nice weather, and I should have planned the dome games to be in the rain, right? I mean, I don't know what I was thinking, but what can you do? It just is what it is. So try to be positive about it and just roll with it and hope that it's gonna stop raining. But it sure doesn't feel like it. Here, you ready? Let's see what happens. Now it's really coming down. I don't think I caught any of the lightning earlier, but it's been some great lightning in the outfield too. So it seems like the majority of people are either heading for the concourses or taking off. But you know what? I'm no quitter. So I'm not leaving until they tell me to leave.